Hi friends, my name is Vijay. So welcome back. So earlier we have discussed that how we can open the notebook,
Yeah.
notepad files, okay, and how we can write in that, okay.
Yeah.
But recently, I have seen that many students are facing a problem. They don't know how to save their notebook files, okay. And another questions that they are asking is that where to save my file, okay.
Yeah.
So I'll just start with the very basic concept. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
And I'll teach you how we can understand that where we can save our files. Okay.
okay.
How easy it is to save your files. It can be any file. It can be a notepad file. It can be a video file.
It can be any file.
It can be a Word file, Excel file, any file. You
Yeah.
have to save in your computer
Yeah.
where you are going to save, okay, that what I'm going to teach you.
Okay.
So let's start. So Dharya is with me. So Dharya, your madam has given you a chocolate box. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I'll ask you where you are going to put this chocolate box in your house.
I'm going to put it in the wooden drawer in my room.
Okay. So what will be the address of that chocolate box?
If my mom will ask me where to put it, she'll ask where is my chocolate box. I will just tell her that it's at my home. There is many rooms at my home. There is one room which is my room. In the wooden drawer, there is a wooden table. It has one drawer. The first one in the first one there is my chocolate box.
So exactly because you know your madam will understand that where you have
Kept it.
kept your chocolate box. This is the exact address. Similarly, when you are using your laptop and when you are creating you're using your laptop or you're using your computer, you're
Okay.
trying to save your files, okay, you should know where you are saving in the computer, okay. So this computer, you can imagine it's like your house. It's having one big house, something called as a hard disk.
Oh.
Okay, so hard disk is basically, I'll just write here hard disk just for your reference.
Okay.
Hard disk, sorry.
Computer is so easy.
So I'll just write so that you can remember this.
Okay.
So you are having your hard disk in your computer,
Okay.
where you can save all your files. All the information
Sure.
is saved on your hard disk. Okay. Okay. It is a part of a computer or a laptop where all the files will be saved. Okay. So I'll just start. I'll show you first of all how we can see our computer or laptop. It will look something like this. Okay.
Okay.
It is having a drives like a big house. It's having a rooms like C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, G drive. Okay. In some computers or laptops, you might find only C, D drive. Sometime you will find only C drive. So it depends. Like in each house, in different house, there are different number of rooms. And so similarly, when you are buying your laptop or computer, you can create as many drives you want.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can save your information inside that drive. And how you can save it? You have to just double click on top of it. You can create your folders. Okay, just go to new and
Click.
become as a folder. You can name that folder whatever you want. For example, I want to name it as a Dharya.
That's my name. properly, which is my name.
So we can save, we can create the folders. Okay, folders like inside your room there is a one wooden table, and similarly you can create, and here you can save your files you want.
Yeah.
So I have created one folder, if you see, in the F drive named as Dharya.
Okay.
Okay, so now we'll see how we can save our notepad.
No bad.
So for example, this is your notepad and you have written here that, what do you want me to write? My
name is.
Dharya.
Yeah, your name is Vijay, right?
Okay, so I'm just writing this name. My name is Dharya, and now I'll try to save this notepad, and now you have to see it very carefully, Dharya, how you are saving it. Okay, so I'll go to file,
Okay.
I'll say save. Okay,
Or save as.
and when I'm clicking save, now the computer is asking me where you want to save your file. Okay, like your madam has given you a chocolate box and you have kept it inside the wooden drawer, okay,
Yep.
in the table. Similarly, the computer is asking where you want to save your file.
Like in the desktop.
Yeah, so you can save on the desktop, because from the desktop it is easy to access the files. Okay, so you can always store in the desktop because you can see the desktop all the time and it is easy to access. Okay, or the second method is you can define any of the addresses in the drives. Okay, so for example, I have created one folder named as Dharya in the F drive. So you can see here, I'll just stretch it a little more so you can see it very clearly.
Not more clearly,
Okay.
actually.
So you can see in my computer, I can see some drive C, D, E, F. So I'll go to F drive and I have created one folder here, Dharya. So I'll double click this. So I am inside this folder. So you can upside, you can read this PC, F drive, Dharya. Now I am inside this folder. And now you have to click here. Single click, left click, and you can give the name.
DHAIRY.
Okay, so you can tell that inside that what is their name. So I'll just write down here
DH.
name. Okay, my name is stored in this file and I'll click save. So what will happen is this file will be saved inside that folder.
Where did you even put it?
Okay, so
Where
for
is that
example,
drive?
this is a PC, this is a local disk app drive. We'll double click it, and this is a folder, and double click it, and inside this you will find your notepad file name dot, and I will double click it to just check if it's the same file. Yes, this is the same one. Okay, so this is how we can save it. Okay, now if you want to save it on the desktop, that also can be done. For example, you're having another file and I'm writing like
Your name, my name
is Vijay, and you want to save this file on the desktop. You just say save as, and you will just go here. Here you can see the desktop icon, DESKTOP. Just single click it. So now you are on the desktop. You can just click here and name that name, and you just say save. Okay, and you can just close it, and we can go back to desktop. See, name file is here, and just double click it, same file.
Huh.
So you understand the basic concept. I hope everybody has understood this basic concept,
Yeah.
how we can save our files very easily.